Oops. Hello. Welcome to my game show. I'm Melissa Cervantes. Here we have two contestants, Brandon Simonson and Chantel Lopez. Our game show today is the Bio to Conversation Couch. And we chose two strangers and we're going to ask them simple biology questions. We'll go over the rules. Rule number 1, as soon as I'm done reading the question, that's when you're allowed to touch your buzzer. Second rule, if you push your buzzer and you are wrong, Chantel, if you push it, Brandon will get to steal the question. And if he's wrong, well, then we'll just move on to the next question because we both, I don't know, maybe something's wrong. Okay, rule number 3, you can't mess around as I am speaking. Question number 1, what is an active site? Brandon.
It's a region of enzymes in which the substrate undergoes a series of chemical reactions.
And that is correct. Question number 2, what binds to the active site? Chantel.
The substrate.
That is correct. Question number 3, what is the theory on how they fit? For help, you can look to my assistant, Lucy. Brandon.
I would have to say that is the induced fit model.
That is correct. Question number 4, what is a cofactor? Brandon.
I'm gonna have to say that's a organic protein that is required for the enzyme to take proper shape.
That is correct once again. Good job. Question number 5, what disrupts the interaction? He interrupted you.
She's childish.
Brandon, you know what? I'm going to finish this question. You
All
won't
right.
even get to answer it because of that, okay?
What?
Chantel, what disrupts the interaction?
Yeah. Just ask me. Just ask me. I got this.
What disrupts the interaction between the enzyme and the substrate?
The inhibitor.
Correct. Question number 6. Reversible enzyme inhibitor can be competitive or non-competitive. What is the difference? Brandon.
Yo, I actually don't know. I just want to press that button.
Chantel, you get to steal a question.
Alright. Non-competitive is when the inhibitor binds to the allosteric site, and competitive is when the substrate and inhibitor bind to the active site.
That is correct. Good. Question number 7. What is an irreversible enzyme inhibitor?
I didn't know I was
Alright.
answering the question.
Alright.
Chantel.
This is basically like Pat's test.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
The answer is open heart surgery.
No.
No?
I'm sorry.
No?
No.
No way, are you sure?
I'm pretty positive I got the answer right here. Doesn't it?
Alright.
Brandon, you get to steal.
Alright. I'd be glad to.
Okay.
The substrate binds to the active site, permanently, resulting in a lower rate of reaction.
Correct.
I mean,
Question number 8. Where does the substrate bind in non-competitive inhibition? What does it stand for? Chantel.
It binds on the allosteric site, and it's Greek for the other space.
Correct. Now, let's look at my lovely assistant, Lucy, for the diagram.
Oh, dang it. Dang it.
that's easy.
Question number 9. What happens when the substrates bind at the allosteric site? Brandon.
See, it inhibits the activity of the enzyme, changing the overall shape of it.
That's correct. There you go. For question number 10, you will look at the diagram and identify what is happening.
What diagram?
Diagram that will be held up by Lucy in like 5 seconds.
Okay.
So, after looking at the diagram, what is the diagram showing? Chantel.
I didn't realize that. Can we have a read? I didn't realize it was the end of the question.
But
See, that was his excuse last time, though.
no, I'm sorry,
All
Chantel.
It's synthesis and degradation.
Correct.
You know, my teacher, Mr. Patton, that's all we talked about the entire time. That's it.
Sweet. Okay, thank you. Question number 11. will be referred to the picture that Lucy is going to be holding up. Identify it. What is it? Okay.
All right.
Look at the diagram.
Oh yeah.
What is it?
That was me.
I'm sorry. Brandon.
That's a quaternary diagram right there.
Correct. Question number 12. What is quaternary shape?
You can have that one.
You know, I'm gonna let you take this one. I feel like I'm too far.
I am busy in a game show right now. Chantel.
It's the number of arrangement of multiple folded protein subunits in a multi-subunit
Do
complex.
you not see this? This is cheating.
That is correct.
What?
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 Question number 14. What distinguishes a quaternary shape? Brandon.
See, a quaternary shape is something that has more than 2 polypeptides.
That is correct. Question number 15. What is the optimum temp for enzymes in humans? Brandon.
It's 37 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
But if we're gonna bring it back to the Fahrenheit scale,
All right.
that'd be 98.6.
Okay, thank you. That's correct. Question number 16. Why does the pH vary in the body? Provide an example. I wasn't finished.
He went first.
Now I gotta redo this whole thing. You gotta wait. Why does the pH vary in the body? See, look what you made me do. Why does it vary in the body? Provide an example. Brandon.
Alright, see, they have different jobs, right?
Okay. Yes.
So let me give you an example.
All right.
A higher pH, above a pH of 7,
Okay.
would be things like the salivatory glands,
All right.
which have a high base.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm gonna bring it back down.
Bring it back down.
Under the pH of 7, let's say a pH of 3.
Okay. All right.
That's gonna be like the stomach acid in your stomach, which can help break down things,
All right. Thank you. That's correct. Question number 17. Why is it important for the pH and temperature to remain constant? Chantel.
Because if it's too high or too low,
Mhm.
then it'll denature,
Mhm.
which causes less than optimal performance.
Correct.
Wow.
Question number 18. What is a metabolic pathway? Now, before you push any buttons, let me finish what I'm saying.
Right.
Refer to Lucy for a diagram to help you.
Excuse me, I didn't move.
After looking at the diagram, what is it?
Oh,
Chantel.
I didn't realize
A
that.
coordinated series of chemical reactions.
Boom. Question number 19. Explain the diagram that you just saw. Chantel.
So it's basically like PET scans and thoughts.
No. Brandon.
No, but that's what I had on the review. But that's what I had on the review.
Like I said recently, we just picked you up off the street. I don't know what review you're talking about, to be honest.
It was a
Brandon.
See, obviously I know this one.
Alright.
See, it's where you have a reaction, right?
Yes.
And you take the product from that reaction, and then you put it right in for the substrate for the next reaction.
That's correct. Question number 20. Explain the diagram that will be held up by Lucy. After looking at the diagram, you may answer.
Oh.
Chantel.
It's ATP yielding ADP
Mhm.
plus P with coupling reaction.
That's correct. Question number 21. Explain ATP yielding to ADP plus P with coupling reaction.
Over there.
Chantel.
Initial chemical reaction is modified.
Modified by a sequence of chemical reactions. She is cheating. Evidence.
That's his
You know-
phone. That's his phone that he pulled out, and he interrupted me in the middle of my answer.
Because it's been such a long day, how about we just pretend that question didn't even happen? How about that? Can we agree? Yeah, let's agree. Okay. Question. Shh. I'm reading. Give me the phone. Give me the phone. I'm sick and tired of this. question. Question number 22. Finally. What? Question number 22. What do the enzymes usually require?
You can have it. So
Nah, I mean, that's all.
You know what? You know what? How about you just go home? You know, cause
Alright.
I'm sick of this. Okay, you guys are in biology classes. You guys don't even know these simple biology questions. The answer, let me tell you, is dietary minerals, vitamins, and other cofactors of functions. You know, I do not get paid enough for this. I can't even stand this person looking at me. What's happening?
I blame you.
That was your fault. You
That's
didn't even
what
know
I
the
blame on
question.
I
Get
know.
out!
You was
Get
cheating.
out!
I
You
said
was cheating in the
no,
first place.
no.
Get out!
Man.
So what did you just find?
This is Booty Jam, and the songs are Da Bud, Jungle.
I seriously couldn't open it.